Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with your Comrade. In this video, I am going to talk a bit on learning disability and its types. As you know, learning disability is a neurological disorder and it causes difficulty in organizing information received, remembering them, and expressing information, and therefore affects a person's basic function, such as reading, writing, comprehension, and reasoning. And it may not be curable, but with the right time, with the right support and intervention, children can succeed in school and go on to successful life. Around 5 to 9% of the population has a learning disability. Students with learning disabilities are 3 times more likely to drop out of school, and 14% of all public school students receive special education services. Although learning disabilities occur in very young children, the disorders are usually not recognized until the child reaches school age. And in America, 1 out of every 5 people has a learning disability. The same in Pakistan. On 18th July 2013, the former High Court retired judge Nasira Javed Iqbal has said some 1.8 million Pakistanis had learning disabilities, of which 0.5 million lived in urban and 1.3 million in rural areas. As you know, people in rural areas generally had superstitious beliefs about the causes of learning disabilities, and also there are no learning facilities in rural areas. Learning disabilities has 4 types. The first one is dyspraxia. It is developmental coordination disorder, also known as dyspraxia, is a condition affecting physical coordination. It causes a child to perform less well than expected in daily activities for their age and appear to move clumsily. Its causes are being born prematurely before the 37th week of pregnancy, being born with a low birth weight, having a family history of DCD, the mother drinking alcohol or taking illegal drugs while she is pregnant. Symptoms are early developmental milestones of crawling, walking, self-feeding, and dressing may be delayed in young children with DCD. Drawing, writing, and performance in sports are also usually behind what is expected for their age. And its second type is Dyscalculia. Dyscalculia is learning disability in math. People with dyscalculia have trouble with math at many levels. They often struggle with key concepts like bigger versus smaller, and they can have a hard time doing basic math problems and more abstract math. Its causes are genes and heredity. Dyscalculia tends to run in families. Research shows that genetics may also play a part in problems with math, brain development. Brain imaging studies have shown some differences between people with and without dyscalculia. Its symptoms are difficulty reading analog clocks, difficulty stating which of two numbers is larger, and difficulty with multiplication, subtraction, addition, and division tables, mental arithmetic, etc. Inconsistent results in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And its third type is dysgraphia. Dysgraphia is a term that refers to trouble with writing. Many experts view dysgraphia as challenges with a set of skills known as transcription. These skills, like handwriting, typing, and spelling, allow us to produce writing. Trouble expressing your thoughts in writing is not formally recognized as part of dysgraphia, and its causes are like develops in adults. The cause is usually a stroke or other brain injury. In particular, injury to the brain's left parietal lobe may lead to dysgraphia, and its symptoms are incorrect spelling and capitalization, mix of cursive and print letters, inappropriate sizing and spacing of letters. The last one is dyslexia. Dyslexia is a common learning difficulty that can cause problems with reading, writing, and spelling. It's a specific learning difficulty, which means it causes problems with certain abilities used for learning, such as reading and writing. And its causes are it's linked to genes. That is why the condition often runs in families. A person is more likely to have dyslexia if his parents or her parents, siblings or her siblings or other family members have it. The condition stems from differences in parts of the brain that process language, and its symptoms are confusing the order of letters in words, reading slowly, or making errors when reading aloud, visual disturbances when reading, answering questions well orally, but having difficulty writing the answer down. And dyslexia is the most common, affecting over 15% of children are affected by dyslexia. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have liked this video, must share and do subscribe channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.